I feel like my life has taken a turn. I'm heading down a road I've never been on before. Nothing is familiar. The signs don't make sense. Do I get off the road, or do I keep riding? Do I go alone, or take others with me? Who do I trust for the journey? I now understand why being a leader requires isolation. I have to remove myself from those whose lives were affected by my decisions. Those I love, as well as those I hate. It's getting more and more difficult to be a brother when my decisions are the ones a father has to make. By the time you're old enough to make sense of this life, you'll know everything about me. The things I'm proud of, and the things I regret. And then you'll be faced with your own decisions. As much as I want to help you and tell you what to do, those choices will be yours alone. The only advice I can give you, sons, is to examine who you are as men. Figure out what's important to you. Know yourselves.
Heads up!
Know what's in your heart.
It's our exit, Rat.
Don't be swayed by fear or history or the opinions of outsiders. Find your own truth. It will lead you to the things you love. Let's go.